Can I tell you a secret? I don't love decorating my home for Christmas. I do it for love of family. But every year brings the same frustrations. Dead bulbs, tangled cables, and a mishmash of lights that don't really work well together. Last year, I went smart and huge with a half dozen brands that still didn't work together great. This year, I want to try something more practical. One brand, Govee, across their best smart lights, and a tap-to-run feature that claims to simplify and unify sprawling Christmas displays into a magical season that it's supposed to be. Let's see if it delivers. I went with curtain lights, string lights, icicle lights, sparkle lights, a cone tree, net lights, and a projector. With all that, I can cover every vertical surface on my home and line things like my driveway, bushes, and more. Let's start with the curtains. I have two versions of Govee curtain lights, the Curtain Lights II and the Curtain Lights Pro. If you haven't already seen it, check out my review of the Curtains II. The Curtains II come in three sizes: single, double, and triple. I have the single and the triple, and that's something you'll want to think through carefully before you purchase. Unlike the original Govee curtains and the Curtains Pro, you cannot virtually splice together sets of Curtain Lights II. Whatever size you get is the size you are stuck with. The Curtain Lights II Triple is pretty large enough to cover my garage, so that's where it's going. And the single curtain lights are over here, hanging on my porch. As you can see, they'd probably work a bit better with something behind them to catch light. But the new beauty is the Curtain Lights Pro. You can splice these together, so just buying one and expanding later is an option. And you might want to do that because they are pricey. But they also look better, for the most part, than the other Govee curtains. Govee arranged the lights here in a more dense grid. In a single curtain, you get 960 LEDs to the single Curtain Light II's 520. But it comes at a slight cost. The new Curtain Lights Pro are shorter overall. The 2s just about cover my garage door from top to bottom, but the Curtain Pros won't do that. Still, it gives you a nicer image overall, though you'll find a few scenes from the other curtains are either missing or changed on the Pros. Although I'm not using it outside right now, I like the Curtain Pro's new hanging system option. You stick a long bar to your wall, the curtain slots right into that bar, and then you cover it. Overall, it's a good option for your Christmas lights, which leads to another similar product, the Govee net lights. At first glance, you might think the net lights are just like the curtains. It's a grid of LEDs. But they differ in both size and how they were joined. The curtains are LEDs joined like vertical ropes, which can lead to them getting tangled if you don't use the included clips to keep them neat. The net lights are joined both vertically and horizontally, like, well, net. Govee suggests using them in bushes, and you'll notice that in all their images, they tend to feature the boxy kind of bush. I can say right now with certainty that's pretty much the only kind of bush that will look good with these. Similar to the curtains, you can display images and patterns, and when placed on a round bush, you lose some of that definition. I don't have any square or rectangular bushes, so I went two different routes. I have three single-length net lights, and those went over my windows. And then I hung this triple net light on stakes. Again, the imagery works best when you place the lights on a solid background, but they still work pretty good overall on my windows. Next up are the Govee Icicle Lights, which I use to line the driveway. Again, this is kind of a similar look to the curtains, but shaped differently. You'll find short and long strands and varying lengths that kind of resemble icicles. But unlike the curtains and nets, you won't be displaying images here. Instead, you'll choose from dozens of fun colors and animations, or just make them look like icicles. These are great for lining the eaves of your house or just running around your yard. I also have on hand both the original Govee Christmas string lights and the Christmas string lights II. I have reviews for both up, but I appreciate the fact that the Christmas string lights II come in multiple colors for the wiring. So if you plan to put these on a Christmas tree, for instance, go for the green version and it will blend in better. You have lots of options with string lights, so I wrapped a pole on my porch, decorated a bush, and framed this archway. I think I need a lot more to truly get this archway to looking the way I want though, but this is a start. The Christmas string lights also have a 3D mapping option, so on that arch I can tell the app exactly how the lights are placed and it can adjust scenes to match. The same is true for the pole and the bush. But if you're thinking, I like the look of a traditional Christmas light, not the embedded LEDs of these string lights, Govee does have a new product that might be for you. These are the Govee Sparkle Lights, and they have bulbs that are a little closer to traditional string lights. They can also do the same 3D mapping as the string lights, and if you really want to go the extra mile, you could put cappers on them to complete that traditional look. They have a couple of unique scenes that let them sparkle as well. Just like the string lights, they're good for trees or anything else you can wrap them in, like this bush. But one of my favorite new additions this year is the Govee Christmas Cone Tree Lights. Setup on this is pretty easy. You build the base, then add the pole, then lay down the strings to form a tree. During the day, this admittedly doesn't look super impressive, but at night it turns into a convincing tree effect that can light up in so many different ways. Best of all, Govee included a Christmas tree lighting effect that can pull off a fair animation of a lit and decorated Christmas tree. You may have noticed the lights under my home's eaves as well. These are the original Govee permanent outdoor lights, and I've had them up for years now. In fact, it's been so long Govee doesn't even sell this model anymore. They've moved on to brighter, more colorful options, and I highly recommend you buy some for your home. They last a long time, as evidenced by mine, and the most I've had to do in the past few years is occasionally fix some sticky tape that's worn out. But of all the lights I put up on my home, these are the ones that stay out all year. They don't just look good for Christmas after all, they work for any holiday. And when it's not the season for fancy, colorful lighting, I keep them on a pure, bright white that lights up my home at night. Seriously, they're incredibly useful. And finally, just for a splash of fun, this Govee outdoor decoration projector is really good. This is another one that in theory you can use for more than just Christmas. It has two light sources. One that throws out a sort of water ripple effect, similar to some of Govee's other projectors, and one that throws out the content of interchangeable discs. It comes with 20 of them for different seasons, including multiple Christmas options. Overall, my main complaint with this projector revolves around the included screws. They fit the stake mounting option, but not the flat base mounting option. I had to go out and buy screws that did fit, which was pretty annoying. But the real magic of sticking with one brand shows up when you make them work together. For my ultimate Christmas video last year, I went with several brands, from Twinkly to Nanoleaf, and it was a pain to get them to look good together. But with Govee, you have 3 potential options. One that's not great, and 2 that are pretty good. The first one, if you own any of the curtains, is Scene Stage. Scene Stage lets you group up to 10 lights with your curtains and sync an animation set. You drag the various lights into a virtual scene, and that placement helps them work in tandem for one giant image or animation. The problem is, I have way more than 10 Govee lights, and the virtual stage isn't even large enough. I'm also not a fan of the scene, as it mostly centers an image on one of your curtains and then adds little animations to the rest of the lights. Hopefully this feature improves. You can also use Dream View to tie your lights together, and the limits there are much better. You can add up to 20 lights, which covers the 16 I have, including the projector. From there, you can pick scenes that apply to all your lights at once, and for some reason make your phone play generic music that I cannot play here for a fear of a smack from the copyright overlords. The main issue here is that it's kind of inconvenient to change the scenes, and not all of them look great on all the different lights. Which is why I love Tap to Run. Tap to Run works a bit like Dream View. You can sync all your lights together, well up to 20, and make them work in tandem. Even better, you can customize which lights do which bits of a different scene. So if you don't like how one scene looks on a specific set of lights, just use a different one instead. And you can create a Tap to Run automation for every scene you like. Now it's as easy as tap a button, maybe the Christmas one or the Valentine's Day one, and everything runs. It's perfect. The only thing missing is the ability to sync the music playing in the background. Maybe someday. I think the results speak for themselves. That's it for now, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, bye!